Yeah, you know? Normally my garden nice and pretty. But this year I don't know what took place. I don't know what took place. But anyways, let me get some callaloo to stuff these fish. Because I feel for some roast fish. And that is what I am about to do. Feel for some fresh roast fish. So you know what? I get the callaloo first. Then we go catch the fish. And then we go from there. Alright. Yeah. See how them look? Nice, fresh callaloo. Yeah. Garden not do too well, but it still a produce. Alright, we are gonna look some fish and also. Now show you what I go on. Yes guys, welcome back to Cardo's Way. So, like you just saw, cut some callaloo because I want to roast some fish. So now, I'm trying to get the fish so we can roast it. So, thank you guys for joining. Thank you guys for being here. Go ahead and like. Go ahead and share with a friend before you even finish watching the video. Yeah, I like it like that. Yes, man. Leave a comment from early. Let me know if you think I'm gonna catch any fish. Will I catch a bass? Alright. Let's see what's going on. Really think something is in this here right here. I know something was in this area. I knew it. It's a nice one. So we got the first one to be stuffed. Yeah, we go put some callaloo in this one. See guys? Whenever I see the movements, I go after the movements. So we got the first one. So, found two. But we still ain't find that big one yet. And this is a real small one, so we're throwing this one back. See you next year. Alright, we're going up a little bit. See what's going on. Alright guys, so we go try this side right now. This is where Mr. Snake was. If we see him today, then it's a different story. Alright, before I go to the last spot, let me try this one. This spot right here used to be one of my old-time favorites. Hold it up good. Not big. Just with some grass, acting like he did. But he's small. Ah, yeah. How big? I don't even know yet. Not big. Probably a keeper. Oh yeah. Definitely a keeper. Definitely a keeper. Alright, so we have 2 in the bag. Alright guys, we're at the final spot. Let's see what we can catch. No comment. Still no comment. Pulling like you did. Get out of the ground. all the trouble, it go into the skillet. On second thought, go let him go. Having fun now, guys. With the damage that this one received, I think we go keep him. He's big enough to keep anyways. Was gonna release him, but the hook so badly stuck. Alright guys, so battery died while I was fishing just before I changed spot and caught two big ones. This one gave me so much problems. So much problem. Got something in his stomach too. We about to see what's in the stomach real quick. But this one took up the line and then went way down in the grass and got stuck. Being that it's this big, we just need one. We don't need to do two or three, just one. So we go get this seasoned and then we go do the callaloo. Alright, so we have it all seasoned. We go get the callaloo ready. Alright, so we have the callaloo already clean and cut up. I go ahead and cut up some seasoning now. I don't know nobody tell me nothing about them. I see him board with this. Yeah, I see him board because guess what? Everything raw, everything gonna cook. That's not how cross-contamination come about. Cross-contamination is when you have something already cooked touching something raw. So right here everything is raw. That is going to cook in one thing. So, ain't no problem right here. You feel me? We know what we're doing in the kitchen. Alright guys, so we steam some callaloo. Time to stuff some fish. Yeah. Alright. The fish have enough butter. Yeah. A butter base. Put my fish in the maker. Yeah. 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 Then decide say this gonna be the top. So the top I can get some butter as well. You know what I mean? I'm gonna put some on the fish too. Yes, alright, so callaloo. See it pretty? Pretty. Alright. Alright, let's stuff this inside of the box. Before we stuff it inside, I some more butter. So this time, this butter go on the inside. Yeah. So we have some time. They are ready. Yeah. Then now, you can start the stuffing. Green and pretty. Oh yeah. Real hot. We go flip it over. Well hot. That's what I like to see. Alright. So I want to trap the heat, so we close it back quickly. You know what I mean? Yeah. Still a kick 300. Well hot. Oh yeah. Supposed to be well done. See it pretty? Oh yeah. Supposed to be well done. Well hot. Alright, we go get it inside. Look how it's pretty. And so the proof is in the eating. So let's see what I'm going to do. Take a peek. Look at the juice. Oh yeah. Good. Yeah. Masterpiece. And there we have the aftermath. That was good. Remember to like, share, leave a comment. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe. Right now I'm full. It's time to go lay down. See you guys on the next expedition.